Hello everyone, my name is Annie. Today I'm gonna show you how to get MNDWI map using Google Earth Engine's platform. First, what is MNDWI? MNDWI or Modified Normalized Difference Water Index is a remote sensing index used to enhance water features in satellite imagery and distinguish them from other land cover like urban areas and vegetations. It is an improvement over the original NDWI and it offering better separations of water bodies and reduce noise from build-ups areas and vegetations. And what is the formula of MNDWI? The formula of MNDWI is green minus SWIR divided with green plus SWIR. So what is the basics of this formula? If we see this graph, we can see that water is very high reflectance in visible band and low or there is no reflectance is zero in entire band and SWIR band. In NDWI, we use the formula is green minus NIR, and but in modified NDWI, we use green minus SWIR. So there is so many literatures that showing that MNDWI it's more effective than NDWI to differentiate water with other land cover like urban areas and vegetations. And the value of MNDWI is similar with other indices like NDVI or other is from -1 to 1. Less than 0 indicating with non-water and greater than 0 indicating with the water areas. So which area we can apply these indices? We can apply these indices for flood monitoring. Especially today, I will show you how to do the flood monitoring using these indices. And the other application you can apply in irrigation management or in wetland delineations or even in water resources management. So today I will show you how to do the flood monitoring using MNDWI. First, you should go to the Google engine and sign in. After sign in, you can go to code editor. In code editor, you can write your code here. First, before you write your code, you can import your ROI. Today, I will use ROI from my country, Indonesia, the Mark Regency, and I will add to the layer my ROI and make it as center object. Zoom, for example, 10 and run it. Okay, after a few moments, it will be showing in your window. Today for this tutorial, I will use data from Sentinel-2 because we use data for multispectral data, so we will use Sentinel-2 surface reflectance. If you want to know about this data set, you can read in description menu and you just go here if you want to know the band, which band you will use. Before I have already mentioned that we will use in this indices, we will use green band and SWIR bands. So the green band is in number 3 here, green band, and SWIR band is band number 11. So we will apply in our code. As I mentioned before that I will um, do the flood monitoring using these indices. How to do that? I will compare there is two images before flood and after flood. Before flood, it means that um, water area is indicating the permanent water body, or even there is no rainfall or there is no precipitation there, you can find that the area is there is water in that area. Okay, in this ROI in July, uh, it's a dry season, so there is no rainfall. That's indicating all the water there is a permanent water body. And here I will print how many image that I have in this area with the cloud cover less than 20 and filter bounds with my ROI. And I will get the means value, and after that I will apply the formula of the MNDWI, green minus SWIR, and then that I have already mentioned before that greater than 0 is indicating with water body or water. So here I have already apply for masking, and then add to the layer and just run it, and after a few moments it will be showing here. So these blue colors indicating the permanent water body, because in this day there is no precipitation or rainfall happen. So to do the monitoring, just apply uh, the code or the area, this area when the flood happened. For example, in 2021, February until March, in our this area is flooding. So just run it. Just go to the Sentinel tool and then write the code again.